National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 7 miles south of Princeton, or 17 miles southwest of Ripon, and was moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Green Lake by 4:40 p.m., Ripon by 4:50 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles an hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.